All right, today I'm going to talk to you about why the Vitamix is so great. And it is so great because it's able to grind up flaxseed, all right, makes it into a flour or powder extremely well. And I'm going to show you right now, okay? So like right here, I have some golden flaxseed. Right here it says, you can see our quality right here with the little window right there. Anyway, I'm going to show you how the Vitamix grinds up flaxseed. And I don't have the flour grinding blender top. There's some water in there. Let me get some of this out. There is actually a flour grinding container. I don't have that, but this right here does such a great job. I was like, why buy it? So I'm going to put some flaxseed in here. So I have some flaxseed right here. I'm just going to put some in there like that. And then I'm going to turn the blender on high for maybe about 20 seconds or so, maybe even shorter. You see that's the flaxseed in there, and see what it does. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on. So I have the flaxseed in there. I'm going to turn it on, start off with 1, and then I'm going to bring it all the way up to 10. But usually I go to 11. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. See, it's slow. Nothing's happening. The flaxseed are stuck at the bottom because there's not enough wind tunnel effect inside of there. But as I turn it up, you're going to see the flaxseed start to fly around, as well as you're going to hear the flaxseed being ground up. So let's go ahead and turn this up. So look at it right there. It's like a flour right now. It's grinding up and it's floating inside the machine. And I'm only at 5. I'm going to take it up to 10. And then turn it off. All right, so let's check this out and see what it's done, okay? Try to knock some of that off. And then I'm going to open it up. Now look at that. That is the ground flaxseed right there. It does a great job. Look at that. The ground flaxseed. So the Vitamix Blender, not only does it blend a lot of things together like your smoothies, it also makes flour. You can make flour out of the seeds. Right here is flaxseed, ground flaxseed. Pretty amazing. All right. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Just leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching.